Haemodialysis, or HD, is a type of treatment for kidney failure that removes waste and excess water from the bloodstream via an artificial kidney. During haemodialysis, your blood is taken from your body, filtered or cleaned, and returned to your body at a rapid rate. A special blood vessel called a fistula is needed for this. A fistula is formed when an artery is joined to a vein during a minor operation. The blood that flows through an artery travels at a much higher pressure than that through a vein. When the blood is diverted from the artery into the vein, it causes swelling. Needles are inserted into the fistula or graft to take blood away and return blood to you during dialysis. A fistula takes 6 to 8 weeks to develop into something that can be used for haemodialysis. If haemodialysis is needed before the fistula is ready, a catheter can be placed in an artery in the groin or at the collarbone. Blood can be taken from the body, filtered, and returned through this catheter. Catheters are temporary and should only be used for a short period of time. This is because they have a high risk of infection, and the blood inside the catheter may also clot, meaning that the catheter will not work properly. Another type of access for haemodialysis is a graft, which is a small tube, about 1 centimetre wide. Grafts are used for people with weak veins, which aren't strong enough for a fistula to be created. An artificial kidney, or dialyzer, can do some of the functions of a normal kidney. The dialyzer contains lots of very tiny narrow tubes made from a semi-permeable membrane. Blood is pumped through these tubes whilst the dialysis fluid flows around them. Blood is full of tiny particles like cells, proteins, vitamins and so on. When someone has kidney failure, there are also toxins in the blood that would normally be removed by healthy kidneys. These wastes pass through the semi-permeable membrane into the dialysis fluid and are removed. By increasing the pressure on the membrane, excess water can also be removed from the blood through the dialyzer. Larger particles needed by the body, like proteins and cells, remain in the blood. To prevent the blood from clotting, an anticoagulant is added during the dialysis. The blood that has been filtered in the dialyzer is pumped back into the body, and the wastes and excess water in the dialysis fluid is drained away. The machine monitors the treatment, making sure it runs safely and efficiently.